Good day, good people. Welcome to Gufugulu. Today's LOOT of the day is more Happy Meal toys, and this is week 3 of the Yugioh and Hello Kitty and Friends collaboration. And week 3, we have these two. I can't believe it's already week 3. And okay, so we have Keropi with Kuribo and Pompompurin with Exodia, the forbidden one. Okay, so let's open Keropi first. Keropi. Okay, so this is a frog. Let's see how it looks like. And he looks quite similar to what's on the front of the box, with blush. He has blush and big round eyes. Okay, on the back it's like a lion's mane. Look at the fur. Okay, so this is the tag. And he has a bow tie with cute 4 feet. This one is a little bit weird. The shape is weird. Let me see if you can hear the squishing sound. Yeah, I think you can hear that. Okay, and then we move on to Pompompurin. I think between Pompompurin and Keropi, Pompompurin is more popular. This is Exodia, the forbidden one. Ooh. Okay, this is how it looks like from inside the box. And he looks like some Egyptian. Oh, and there's a cobra. And this looks like the Egyptian costume. And his feet. So this is his arm and ears. Arm. And the tag. And on the back, okay, somehow this one is softer. It's nicer to squish compared to this. This one is stiffer. So you can see okay, so let's move on to the digital experience by scanning the QR codes here and here. Scanning in progress. First thing we see is the McDonald's logo, and followed by Yugioh and Hello Kitty and Friends homepage. Hit Let's Play, followed by Play Game. Tap Let's Play. All the characters are preloaded, and we will start off with Keropi. I didn't know Kuribo looks so funny. We tap on collide and the two characters will combine into... And it's time to choose our background. First off, we have a grassy landscape, and then rainbow with clouds, houses, and a pond with a crab. Let's go with this one since it's more unique to the character. Next, we choose the backdrop. The first one is Starry Night, and then mountains with a moon, trees with a moon, and this is some castle. Now we choose the effects. I'll go ahead and pick the one with music notes. And it's time to review power. Let's select another character. It's time for Pompompurin. And we have Pompompurin, and the other character from Yugioh is Exodia, the Forbidden One. Time to pick the landscape. So the first three is always the same, I think. And then the last one will be special to the character. And for Pompompurin, he's standing on a cut tree. So we move on to the backdrop. Same three designs. And then the last one is a broken chain. Somehow that resembles Forbidden, I think. And now we choose the graphic effects. Same effects for the first three, and the last one is a lucky clover. I'm repeatedly clicking the lucky clover because I can't really see it. Let's glance through the other characters. We have 4 more characters to go, so that's another 2 more weeks. And we're back at the homepage. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can like and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye!